Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reset Uber password. So first, if you cannot remember your password, here's how to reset it. So the first thing that I'd like you to do is to open the Uber app on your smartphone. Then it's going to take you to the login screen if you're having issues logging in. On the login screen, go ahead and tap Forgot Password with a question mark. Enter the email address or phone number linked to the Uber account, then tap Next. You'll get an email or SMS with a password reset link or code. Note, the link expires in 10 minutes, so act fast. Open the email or SMS, then tap the link or enter the code if provided. In the Uber app or web page that opens, create a new password, then confirm it. Tap Save or Reset Password. You should now be able to log in with your new password. I also like you to know that Uber may require a secondary 6-digit passcode for security. So here's how to reset it. Tap I already have an account. Then enter your phone number and the verification code from SMS. When prompted for your passcode, tap Forgot Passcode with a question mark. Enter a new 6-digit passcode and confirm it. Check your email and tap Reset Passcode from the Uber message. Enter the new passcode in the app when prompted. Tap the Account tab if you are logged in, usually at the bottom right. Tap Passcode, tap Reset Passcode. Input your new 6-digit code twice. Check your email and tap Reset Passcode from Uber's message. Use the new code in the app. So here is the Account tab. It is at the bottom right corner. And once you click on that, the next thing that you have to do is to click on Settings. So once you click on Settings, it's going to take you to the Settings window. And once we get in there, I'm definitely going to show you what to do. So once you're in this window, go ahead and tap on your profile name, which is at the top, and it's going to take you to this window where I have a couple of tabs. You have home, you have personal info, and you have security. So just head over to security. And once you head over to security, then head over to passkeys or password and follow the prompts to change your passcode. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.